everybody, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this Scratch tutorial, you're going to make your first video sensing application. Project. I know. We need to do my green flag is clicked and then turn video on. I already done this, but if you cannot see this, then it's not a display issue. It just simply now it was removed from the defaults. It was previously in sensing. Now you have to go here and then do video sensing. This is the new way. Let me just set over here. The next thing you have to do is to set video transparency. If we do, let's say 0, it's not like it's fully gone, but it's like 100, but oppositely. Yeah. I'm looking very nice. Then if we do maybe, let's say 100, I'm on 50. I recommend 50. 0 also recommend if you want, but 100 I do not recommend. And then over here we have to go to the forever, and then over here the if statement, video sensing, and then after that we need to video on motion, video motion on sprite, and then over here we have to just over here set this to 20, and then this, and not this, go to sound, play meow until done. So now let's get my fingers, makes a sound again and again. So hope you liked this video. Hope you did. Please smash the like button, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next video. Kids Coder out.